Welcome to today's video where we're tackling a common problem that many developers face when working with date formats in VBA. The problem presented here revolves around converting dates from USA format to UK format and using them to calculate the number of nights between two dates. The initial script shared by the user experienced issues with date formatting, making it tricky to calculate the date difference accurately. Let's dive into the solution provided and see how we can streamline the process. The solution to this problem involves optimizing the code by utilizing module-level variables to store the arrival and leave dates. By declaring arrival date and the leave date as date variables outside the subprocedures, we can easily access and update them as needed. The code for textbox 6_enter and textbox 7_enter now captures the selected dates from the calendar form, formats them in the UK date format, and assigns them to the respective text boxes. The text box 20_change subcalculates the number of nights between the arrival date and leave date, displaying the result in text box 20. This revised approach enhances efficiency and readability, making date handling smoother and more reliable. In summary, we've successfully addressed the date formatting and calculation issue by reorganizing the code to utilize module-level variables for storing and manipulating dates. By following this optimized approach, we've improved the clarity and functionality of the script, ensuring accurate date calculations in a UK format. If you found this solution helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more programming tips and tricks. Remember, coding can be a date with endless possibilities, especially when you have your format sorted out.